All right, welcome back again. We're going for coat number 4 at this point. Before we do that, we're just going to kind of lightly buff it. And again, we're basically just trying to see any spots that we don't quite like, that are a little blemished, and bring it all together. So that is looking pretty darn good. I'm super happy with it so far, but we ain't done yet. And again, this is very economical, as long as you're not counting your time. I got quite a few hours into all of this, but cost-wise for the material, I've used half of that bottle maybe. You can probably pick it up for 15 bucks nowadays. I bought that quite a long time ago. I've been wanting to do this project for a long time. I never could bring myself to it. I figured I'd mess it up. I'm nobody special. If I can do this, anybody can. You just have to put the time and the attention to detail into it. After this, though, we're going to get a new paper towel. All right, start the timer, 1 minute. This is garbage now. We're going to get a new one for the next batch. But yeah, set a timer for a minute, wash it off, dry it, and then we'll be right back.